Hi, thank you for watching my video. Today I'm showing you a walkthrough of this tiny, not really tiny, but cute little baby mini album that I created. The paper pack that I used was this one. It's called Sweet Dreams, and it's from a website called hnDMD.in. I will leave a link in the description below. So these are the paper patterns that were in the pack, and as you can see, when I saw this pack, I thought you can easily create two mini albums from this. One for a baby boy using the colors like yellow, green, and one for a girl using the pink and white combination. So this is the album that I created using the yellow, green, and blue papers. This is a 6 by 6 size album. The inner pages are smaller than this. It's 5.5 by 5.5 inch square pages. And it's quite a loaded album, and it's got a couple of surprises in there. So let's start the walkthrough. So this is the spine. This is 3 inches wide, and the back is pretty simple. It's pretty flat. In the front I've kept it quite flat because we need to be able to store these albums either vertically or horizontally. This is a photo frame that I created using some cardstock. It's got an acetate cover to protect the photo from dust. You will have to put in a slightly cropped photo in here because I made a mistake with the measurements. So I'm planning to put up a tutorial for this album with the remaining papers. In that I'll make the corrected dimensions for this and a couple of other pages. As you can see, I need to use a better option for the adhesive for this flower as well, because this is sort of coming off. And here you can write the name of the baby. This is just white cardstock. So when you open this you get a surprise here. It's a box which you can slide open. You can put in, either you can put in some photos, or you can put in a few mementos from your for the baby, like the silver spoon or socks, booties, anything. And you can store them with tissue paper. This is hand cut. You can probably tell it is hand cut. You can put a photo in here, or you can write the baby's name and details, everything. In any case, you can put a photo on top. So this is a 5 by 5 inch box with a depth of 3.25 inch. So you can accommodate a 4 by 4 photo here, even a 5 by 5 photo here if you want. Coming to the first page, so these are all pocket pages, and I like to separate the pages with this is just plain tracing sheet, transparent tracing sheet. This is because normally if you put a glossy photo here and there's a glossy photo in here, they'll stick. Even the matte photos tend to stick. And also you don't want too much of your hands oil going on top of that. So this is a pocket for a 4 by 4 photo. You can put that in here. I've just put in a scrap piece of paper that I cut. You can put in a 4 by 4 photo in here. This is a 4.25 by 4.25 square. So the 4 by 4 photo will fit in. I would also recommend putting a bit of adhesive because the pocket is quite loose. A button here, and this page is a pocket page, and this is the insert. The insert will hold a 6 by 4 photo or 4 by 6 photo. So you can put 2 photos in there. There are 6 pages in this album, and each page will hold 2 4 by 4 photos and 2 6 by 6 photos. So this is the pocket page. Return back. This is just the cutouts that I made from the sheet itself, and this is raised on foam tape, and this is flat. You can put a photo right here. This is the second page. This is just some others from a different pack. I had some die cut letters, which I spelled baby out with them. A little butterfly from the different pack, and you can put a 4x4 photo here. Again, you have a insert here for the 4x6 photo, and this is just a tab that helps you to pull it out easily. This is just a piece of cardstock I'm using to demonstrate where the photo will go. You can stick your photo in here behind this cutout. The paper pack has a beautiful cut apart page, of which I've used some here, and some I'll use in the other album as well. So this is where the photo will go in. You can stick it here. This is the third page of the album, and this is a cute little pocket that opens out like this. It's actually a pocket that carries, you can put in a tag that I mounted on some cardstock. This is from the cut apart page. For this, it just goes in like that. This type of pocket I actually saw in another mini album by on a channel called Selma Scrap, and I was inspired from that to create a tiny pocket like this. So it opens, you can put your photo in here. Again, it has got the insert. When you turn the page, you've got this pocket here with another cut apart. You know, flip it open and paste your photo here, write something here if you want to. This is the fourth page, and this is a journal tag that I cut apart from the cut apart page. You can write here and you can paste your photo here. This is a doily that I have folded in half and put it in here behind the pocket. Similarly, is the doily here. This is the fifth page, and in this I've created an envelope where you can put your photo into the album, into the envelope. There you go. This is just a handmade flower. I cut it out by myself. And you can leave the flap behind this. Again, a cut apart. Insert. The envelope repeats here. On the fifth page, I've got this tag that I cut apart. There's some string I've added, and this is the journal space, again from the cut apart page. The page itself is left blank, so you can put your photo, add some sequins or whatever that you want to add around it. Cut apart. And this is the final this is similar to the first page, and you can put your photo in here. At this page, I've got another box here, but this is a different type of a box. You can open the ribbon, and it opens and you can put something here. I actually got this idea from another channel called Pink and Fun. I will put the link to the video on my description box. So here you can actually get more photos in here by recreating another mini album with a few pages for holding 4x4 photos. You can even add photos here. You can add photo on top of this itself. So you, in total, you get 12 4x4 photos, 12 4x6 photos. And if you add more photos, you can get up 20 photos, I think, in this easily. So that's my 6x6 mini album. I am in the process of putting together the tutorial as I'm making the album with the remainder of the pages. So when I put that up, I'll give all the dimensions and all the handmade embellishments, how to do them, etc. So thank you for watching my video. Have a great day. Bye.